现在继续关心美国的总统大选，川普是选调贺锦丽嘛，发布全国的演说，信任败选，讲已经敲电话和川普甲强喜，嘛保证讲会协助和平来交接。不过，这事实上，唔那总统这局连参众两院甲州长的选举，这民主党这届拢是输甲忝忝。有专家是表示，选民这届上界关心的，就是经济甲移民的问题。贺锦丽煞搁咧讲性别平权甲女性的打体权，敢若这点都一定会提无白人甲尤其是查甫人的选票。有理想是真重要，不过若是要拍选战，是有要选赢，都要去了解选民因真正的需求。
Earlier today, I spoke with President-elect Trump and congratulated him on his victory. I also told him that we will help him and his team with their transition, and that we will engage in a peaceful transfer of power.
贺锦丽选后带着招牌笑容头一摆出现，伫武校霍华德大学发表演说，承认失败，搁承诺和平交接，强调接受选举结果是民主的根本原则。现任总统拜登甲前总统奥巴马翁仔某也各自发表书面声明，传达同款的民主和平理念。贺锦丽也鼓励少年支持者唔通绝望，比起抢位继续为女权、反对枪击暴力、甲所有人的尊严来奋斗，现场支持者拢显出失望。
The millions of people who will suffer directly and indirectly because of his policy decisions or lack of policy decisions. This morning I was just thinking about the soldiers in Ukraine.
We don't have a worthy president coming up. It's crushing. I honestly don't recognize my country.
民主党这场选战，总统甲国会上司分析家真贵，有连环策略失误，爱检讨。贺锦丽作为副总统，真歹享着拜登政府无受欢迎的保护法，临时换将犯着边家的禁期。另外，经济甲移民政治扣分甲基层脱节，也有非战之罪的性别种族等因素。即马正伫川普2.0时代，民主党煞无明确的领袖人物甲营养计划，连即摆安怎输的拢无袂清楚。党内人士讲，也阁有真侪反省的空间。
The Republicans did well in places that we as Democrats never expect them to do well in urban areas. With Black and Latino voters, with women voters. We spent a lot of time talking about democracy, but I think we were only talking to ourselves. Democracy is not a kitchen table issue for most Americans. So the Democratic Party will have to do some soul searching and figure out how we bounce back from this.
公视新闻协会中编译。